Hey guys, I'm Virgie. You guys probably don't know me. I'm sure you don't know me. But if you want to go ahead and check me out, my name is Virgie Van Horst. And check me out on LinkedIn or Facebook. LinkedIn probably best because it has my whole entire resume. I just wanted to have a conversation with you. And I wanted to have a conversation with you about blockchain. I don't know if you guys know anything about that, if you do or don't. I know that there's some products out there online right now, and actually that's one of the reasons that's actually pushed me to come out to you and have this conversation. See, I work with a team right now, really expert team of traders who are working on this product, but it's really geared for people who are actually traders or actually in the business, or maybe a little bit more of a savvier investor. So I was talking to my team, and I'm all about bringing blockchain awareness because I think there's so much greatness behind it, such great technology behind it. And so I was talking to my team, I'm like, this is awesome, guys, but I really think that we need to put something together for real people like me and you know, maybe not the savviest investors, you know, but still want to get in on something like this. Because like right now, blockchain and all of it, it's deregulated right now. What does that mean? Deregulation means in order to get into it now, it means that we can get in. It means that it's not just for the accredited investors out there that have 20 to 30 or more large accounts. It's for me and you. Who have maybe $5,000 to $10,000 to put into account. But it's even better than that. You actually can get into blockchain and blockchain technology and investing into these companies. Like, do you remember like the IPO days when people were investing in Facebook or Google or Apple back in those days? We're here again. We're here again with technology that you and I can actually invest in. Okay, but you got to understand what you're doing. So what I want to do is create a easy entry level, like cost effective product for you and me, so that we can actually learn how to get into investing into blockchain technology, because it's amazing. Like, I actually have a feeling that it's going to explode. Okay, and this is something that, you know, maybe we couldn't get in back then, but we can now. You know, I'm just a mom, I'm a realtor, I love my family, I'm always thinking about the future and what I can do to help build wealth for my family. And this is one of those things that I feel very strongly about. But I also feel that I need to create a product for people like me and you, so that we can get into this. Because now we can get in and we can buy some of these altcoins for 4 cents or even 2 cents, some of them, okay? This is the time to do it. You buy when things are low. And yeah, the markets may not be so great right now, but that's a perfect time to start getting in. It's a perfect time for a product like this. It's a perfect time for you to be aware of how to invest in blockchain technology. It's really impressive stuff. You go in there and you I think everybody should be investing a little bit into this blockchain technology, so that you're aware. Because the more that you're aware, the more that you're educated. The more that you're educated, who knows where you'll end up in this space. I mean, it's just the beginning. It's a great time to get in. So you can actually, I kind of think of it like a small savings account, or like you can think of it as like a little college fund for your kids. You get this, you take maybe, you know, $500 and you put it in there and you don't think about it, okay? And you just hold on to that. You just hodl it. Like, Google that, hodl, HODL. It's a term, guys. It's a term that's being used. You go ahead and buy these coins low, and you hold on to them, and you think about it. I mean, just imagine for a second if you put some into these technologies, these blockchain technology companies, and you just hodl it. Just imagine for a second if that you put there one day became something more than it was. That would be awesome. I mean, we pray and we buy lottery tickets and we do all kinds of things hoping that we can get that next thing. This is a little bit more strategic. This is practical, actually. It's actually really practical. You don't have to, you can use it as a way to diversify if you have a portfolio. If you're like a lot of people I know who really haven't started saving or investing yet, or just getting into it, or just even thinking about buying a house, this is the time. This is something that you can get into and actually start building a little foundation, and then you won't be kicking yourself later because you're in it. So that's it, guys. I know this went a little longer, but I'm just really passionate about this, and Click down below to find out more. We have a great team, and if you're going to get into blockchain investing, you want to make sure you're doing it with people who understand this business, who understand this space. I mean, even if you get into it, maybe you've already tried. I mean, maybe you've actually tried it yourself and you know how confusing it is. It's really confusing. You're talking about ledgers, you're talking about wallets, you're talking about like hash codes. I mean, this can get really confusing. And even once you get past that point, what coins do you buy? Have you really researched the technology? Do you know which one of these coins are going to stand the test of time? Which ones are going to be there when regulation does kick in? We do, and we are always collaborating people. We're very well connected, and this is something that we're really passionate about. My passion with this is for all you people out there like me, you realtors, you moms, you dads, you just real people, not just Wall Street. You. All right, guys, take care. I wish you all the best to you and yours.